Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching integration. Integration is about collecting tiny parts and joining them together to make a whole. Stuff like AI, maths, physics, engineering and even nature uses integration. AI uses integrations to collect a tiny bit of data and join them together and to understand the thing. And maths and physics there's a lot of topic for maths and physics including integration, and engineers use integration to design and create a product. Also, integration is the opposite of differentiation. Differentiation is about breaking stuff into tiny parts, and integration is joining the tiny parts together to make a whole. Okay, so I'll put the integration question here. Also, this is the sign for the integration thing. So 5. Okay, if the question is 5, if the question is 5, the integration of 5 is going to be 5x, because 5 is a constant. So because 5 is a constant, we have to write here an x before it. If the question is 4, it's going to be 4x. If the question is 1, it's going to be just x, because there is a 1 but we don't have to write it down or show it. Okay, so if the thing is a constant, then that means there's going to be an x after it. Also, a is a constant right now, so you have to write here a. The answer is going to be ax. Okay. Alright, so what if the question is x? Okay, so this is so this is the equation for this. So n means number. Okay, so this is the equation n plus 1. Okay, here there's a 1 on top of x that we are not showing. Like I said before, we don't need to show the 1 when as the power of x. So here, okay, so x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. It's now okay, n plus 1. So here there's already a 1 on top of x, so 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. We use plus c on any answer for integration. Like any answer you get, you have to use the plus c here. Okay, so x square by 2 plus c. Okay, so the integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. And so, okay, if the question is 2x, what's the answer? Okay, here we have to use the same thing. So let's just put 2 right here and focus on x now. So x 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, which is going to be 2x square by 2. Okay, 2x square by 2. So here there is two both here. There are 2 2's here. So maybe you can just cross both of them, and we will get x square. So the answer of 2x is x square. Okay. So if the question is, wait a minute. If the question is 2x cube, or no wait, 2x square. if the question is 2x square, let's put the 2 right here and focus on x square. X square plus 1, I mean x by 2 plus 1. Okay, it's going to be 2x cube by 3. Okay, so the answer is going to be 2x cube by 3. I forgot to write plus c. So in any answer you have to write plus c in integration. Okay, I just forgot to write it. Okay. So here 3x raised to 2 minus 6. Okay, so let's write the 3 down here. X square plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 6. So 3x cube by 3 minus 6x. 6 is a constant, so it's going to be 6x plus c. Okay, here this is there you can see there is there is 2 3's here. So let's cross both of them, and it's going to be x cube minus 6x plus c. Okay, this is going to be the answer. Alright, so now I'll be showing the integration of stuff like sine x. Okay, so as I said, like integration is opposite of differentiation. So the integration of sine x, so the integration of sine x is cos x, right? So that means the differentiation of sine x is cos x, right? So the integration of sine x is going to be minus cos x. If the differentiation of sine x is cos x, the integration of sine x is going to be sine x plus c. Okay, so if it is cos, so the differentiation of cos x, wait a minute. So if the question is cos x, the differentiation of cos x is minus sine x. So the opposite of minus sine x might be positive sine x plus c. Okay, it's just like that. Now I'm going to show. The root of x right here. Okay, so what is the integration of root x? Well, you can for root x you can actually write it like x raised to 1 by 2. You can write it like this. You can, so if it's root x, you can write it like x raised to 1 by 2. So now let's find the integration of x raised to 1 by 2. X raised to 1 by 2 plus 1. Let's do it over here. Okay, so 1 by 2 plus 1. Here there is a 1 over here. As I said, that if there is a 1, we don't need to show it. Okay, so there's actually a 1 right here. So when we are subtracting or adding, we have to make sure the denominator is same. So the denominator, the 2 is the highest right now, so that means we have to make the 1 2. So to make 1 2, you can just multiply it by 2, right? So when we multiply 1 by 2, it's going to be 2. So when we multiply this with 2, we have to also multiply we have to also multiply the numerator into 2 into 2. Okay, so 1 into 2 is also 2. So here we got both the denominator same. So it's going to be 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so wait, 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so 1 by 2 plus 1 is going to be 3 by 2. So x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. So this is our answer. But if you want to make it short, if you want to make it a little more shorter like this, you can write like this. But if you want to make it a little more shorter, like removing this like division thing, you have to put this thing on here. But when you are putting it here, you have to do the opposite sign. So here, for example, x is equal to minus 6. So x minus 6. X minus 6 is equal to 7. Here, while you are putting it there, you have to make it plus 6, right? So just like that, for this one, when you are making it go here, you have to make it 2 by 3. Here it's 3 by 2, but when we are putting it on top, you have to put it like the opposite sign, not opposite sign, the opposite way, so it's going to be 2 by 3 raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, so you can write in both ways. This is like a little more shorter, like removing this by sign. So both of them are correct. Okay, so the answer of root x is 2 by 3, x raised to 3 by 2, or x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Both of them are correct. Okay, I put a question right here. 4x square plus 3x. Okay, so first of all, let's just find the integration of both of them separately. So first let's find the integration of 4x square. 4x square plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3x raised to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Okay, so it's going to be 4x cube by 3 plus 3x square by 2, and don't forget to write plus c. Okay, so the answer of 4x square plus 3x is 4x cube by 3 plus 3x square by 2 plus c. All right, I'll put questions like that. Okay, you read. Okay, so these are two different questions. If you want, you can pause the video and answer, because I'm going to write the answers down right now. Okay, so here let's find the first question, 2x cube. So 2x cubed means 2x raised to 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, 2x, the differentiation of 2 is 2x. So yeah, 2x. So 2x raised to 4 by 4 plus 2x. Alright, so here if you want to make it short, you can also make it short by doing this. So right now this is 2x raised to 4 by 4. For this, maybe you could write it like x raised to 4 by 2. Wait, because in 2 stable it's 1 and in 2 stable it's 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2x plus c. Alright, so now let's find, so this is the answer for 2x cubed plus 2. You can write it in both way. This is like you can to make it more shorter, you can write it like this. Okay, so now let's do this one. Let me raise this one first. Now you could also pause the video and find the answer of this, because I'm going to tell it right now. Okay, so 3x raised to 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 4x raised to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Alright, so here 3x raised to 5 by 5 minus 4x raised to 2 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer, but for this one you could make it shorter, like 3x raised to 5 by 5. And for this one, for this one 4x raised to 2 by 2, you could write this one like 2x square. Wait a minute, sorry. 2x square plus c. Okay, so you could do it in the same way, but to make it short you can write it like this. I'll write down the answer correctly here. Wait a minute. The answer 3x raised to 5 by 5 minus 4. No, sorry, not 4. 2x square plus c. Okay, we made this short and made it look like this. So the answer of 3x raised to 4 minus 4x is 3x raised to 5 by 5 minus 2x square plus c. Let me erase this. Alright. The next question, wait a minute. Yeah, so the next question is Okay. 4x raised to 4 4x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 3. Okay, so 4x raised to 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 3x raised to 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay, here 4 4x raised to 5 by 5 minus 3x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, so the answer of 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube is 4x raised to 5 by 5 minus 3x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you understood, and bye.